Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to use a text area and how to patch from a variable. So here we have a text area that is attached again to a regular string variable. The advantage of a text area is basically to enter multiple lines of data. For example, if you're writing a review or giving a feedback. So we are going to patch something into this by using a variable. So let's go to properties. This is where all our patching code is. We'll create a variable. We'll call it as paragraph. And there we go. Single quote here. And now we are going to patch this. So since it is one more element, form element that requires patching, add a comma, press the enter key. Let me find this mode string, place it here, remove the FG from the beginning. Please make sure you understand this endo because this gets confusing after a while. And then copy the variable name and paste it here. Now the thing to remember here is you are pasting a variable. So please do not put these within inverted commas. The variable should be pasted, variable name should be pasted as is. Go ahead and save your code, and ideally what should happen is within notes you should be able to see the lorem ipsum text. So let's go ahead and preview and see, and you can see the lorem ipsum text has been patched in here. Thank you.